how do you pronounce this sound in Tatar? I can't remember any word in English that has a similar sound in it. In order to make the sound, you need to put your mouth in the position like you're about to pronounce the sound O. That is used in English words like call, talk, etc. But before you form this O sound, stop halfway and just say So this sound is a lot shorter than O, and your mouth remains rounder and more open. So it's not O. The sound is used in the following Tatar words: flower, arlık, seed, bulut, cloud, and so on. Do you have a similar sound in your language?